Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me for date night, doing this look. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Per usual, everything that I mentioned today will be linked down below for you guys in case you are looking for it. I apologize in advance if you can hear the rain outside. It has been pouring all day. And also my eyes are incredibly irritated. I'm on this journey of trying to get contacts and I'm doing my second set of trials and they are just so uncomfortable in my eyes, so bear with me in today's video. So all I have on my face so far is my Origins Clear Improvements Clear Pore Clearing Moisturizer. Love this stuff. I'm like halfway through it right now. It is so good and my skin has been really unhappy, so I've been using this basically every day lately. For primer, I'm going to go in with this from Elemis. It's the Pro-collagen Insta-smooth primer, and this is an anti-aging primer. I seriously love this so much. I have been using it every day since I got it. It's definitely one of my favorites. It will be in my monthly favorites this month because I just love, love, love it. I am using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation today. This is in the shade Santa Fe. This might be the last time I use it. There's like basically none left. So we'll see if I can get, well, I did get enough out today. For concealer, I'm using the Stay Naked from Urban Decay, and I have this in the shade 40NN. I only put this right in the inner corners. That's kind of where my darkness is, so I like to just concentrate it there. You guys probably already know that I'm not huge into concealing like the triangles under my eyes or anything like that, so I'm just going to blend this out with a brush. For powder, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. This is one of my favorites of all time. So that is what I'm going to use. I am trying to use up this little travel one before I open another full-size one. But my brush has such a hard time fitting into this little cap. I feel like I've been going through phases of videos, like I was doing tons and tons of fashion videos, and then this week I've done tons of makeup videos, and I'm actually already planning out, I guess not already because it's basically November, but I'm planning out Vlogmas. I am planning on doing Vlogmas. I have been vlogging more in general anyway, so some of them, I'm using my Marc Jacobs bronzer. All of the products that I use today will be linked down below for you guys. I will be doing Vlogmas, and a lot of them will be vlogs, and then if you guys were around last year, I did Vlogmas, but a lot of them were just videos like this, fashion videos, gift guides, that kind of stuff. So almost all of them, I think I only had one vlog last year, all the rest of them were sit down videos, but I did all 25 days, or 24 days. So I am planning on doing Vlogmas this year, but I think it'll be a mix, probably like half and half of vlogs and regular videos. So if you have any requests for Vlogmas, leave them down below. I'm planning on sharing how I decorate, gift guides, all of the fun holiday stuff that comes around. Like Adam and I will go cut down our Christmas tree, so I'm planning on vlogging that. We're gonna go see the Christmas tree lighting in Detroit. We did that last year. So I will be vlogging that. So basically like all of our fun holiday traditions, but then also sit down videos, gift guides, all the things. If you have any requests whatsoever, leave them down below. Going in with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. It's just mind-blowing that 2020 is in 2 months. Like, I don't know where this year went, but I was not prepared for this. For blush, I'm going to use this in Mood Exposure from Hourglass. This used to be my go-to blush, and I just haven't really been using it lately, but it is so pretty for fall. So I am going to pull it back out today. I always love it so much when I use it, and then I wonder why it's been so long since I've used it. I'm setting my skin with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I just used this. It is the Brow Boss Gel from Colourpop. the other day in a 5 first impressions, and I really liked it. So I'm going to use this today again. And I have it in the shade light brown. And it adds just a little bit of pigment to your brows. It's not like filling them in by any sense, but it just holds them in place and leaves them with a little bit of extra pigment. So if that's what you're looking for, if you want a full filled in brow, this is not your product. But I don't really fill in my brows, so this is a perfect product for me. For my eyes, I'm going in with this Sahara palette from Alter Ego. They sent this over. I have not touched it. I actually have 3 of their palettes and I haven't even swatched a single one of them. But this one, I just feel like is a really good everyday palette. I truly have no idea what the formula is like, if they're good, if they're terrible. So we are about to find out together. So I'm just going to get the creases out of my lids. And then I'm going to set it down with the shade Sands. And I am just going to speed this up for you guys so we're not sitting here all day with eyeshadow. Okay, this is all of the eyeshadow that I'm going to do. Overall, the shadows were good. I didn't use all of them. Obviously, I didn't even use like half of them. There are, I'm just gonna swatch a couple of them because there's some shimmer shades that look really pretty. So I just wanna see what these look like. I'm just not in the shimmer lid kind of mood. So those all look gorgeous. Basically, all of the shades were pretty blendable. All of them were pretty pigmented. No complaints really about this. This brand is a brand that kind of dupes other brands' eyeshadow palettes. So that's just, if you're not into that, you're not into that. And this is Mesa. This is that black. I mean, all of the shadows are good quality. Dark shades like this are a lot of times harder to do. So to get that much pigmentation out of a deep matte shade is pretty good in my book, especially for something that's a little bit more affordable. And I want to say that they sent me a coupon code for you guys. If I can find it, I will put it down below in the bottom bar for you guys. These obviously are already affordable, but I think this was good. I will definitely use it again. I can see myself using this quite a bit, especially because there is a nice size mirror, and I say this in every time I ever talk about a palette. Having the black and the deep brown along with light enough shades, like the sand shade was really good to set everything down, and then there were some really good transitions, and then the deep brown and deep black are really good to add depth and dimension as well as use for eyeliner. So this for me is a good palette. I'm going to go in with eyeliner. I'm using my Stila Stay All Day liquid liner. I love this, and I'm just going to trace my upper lash line. I'm going to curl my lashes. This is my Shiseido curler. It is so good. And then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise for the first coat and my Hourglass Cushion Extreme Lash Mascara for my second coat. I know I'm extra about my lashes, but it's just how it is. Also, my Lash Serum is 15% off right now. I'll link it down below for you guys. Hopefully it still will be by the time this video goes up, but it is my absolute favorite and it's on sale, so win-win. I'm going to let my first coat of mascara dry, and I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Pillowtalk Lip Cheat and line my lips. And then on top of that, I'm going to put my KKW Beauty lipstick in the shade Nude 3. I just shared this in that 5 first impressions I did earlier this week. So I am going to apply this over top of that lip liner. All right, let's put on my second coat of mascara. My makeup is done, so now for my hair, this is like third day hair, I just like to comb it out first, and then I will put, I'm also heating up, this is the T3 wand with the 1-inch barrel. So I'm just heating that up, but I am going to just comb it out and then put some dry shampoo in it. I honestly normally won't even brush it unless it's like third or fourth day hair, because I don't know, on like second day hair, it just doesn't need to be brushed. Also, I'm using the Batiste in the original scent. If you guys have been around for a while, you know that I don't really like that scent, but it was so cheap on Amazon, and so I bought it. It was like a 3-pack. So yeah, I have like a lifetime supply of it now, and I'm just trying to get through it. But it does work really well. I just like the scent Bare better. That's okay though. I also use a little bit more than probably a lot of people do, just because my hair is so straight and so, I don't even know how to say it, like basically just so healthy that it doesn't hold a lot of styles. So for me to get my style to hold, I need to add grit, and that dry shampoo adds a bit of grit for me. So once I have the dry shampoo kind of all in my hair, I just split my hair in two, and I am going to do my normal waves. I just take the wand and go away from my face. I am planning on doing a full hair tutorial soon. I'll probably do some like fun holiday hair looks or something, but for now, we're just gonna speed through this. All right, my hair is curled. The curls will fall pretty quickly just because of the nature of my hair, but I am going to put some of this Triple Sec in it from Drybar. This smells so good, and it adds some texture and some volume. So I kind of like to pull my hair up, and then as I'm spraying, kind of let it down. And then I just kind of zhuzh it into my hair. And this obviously is going to make my hair look really big right now, but in like 10 minutes it's gonna be like half the size. Now that my hair and makeup are done, I'm going to put on my perfume, and today I'm wearing this one from Dossier. This is the Oriental Woody one. And Dossier is actually sponsoring this portion of today's video, so thank you so much to them for collaborating with me on my channel. Dossier is an amazing brand. They create luxury fragrances at a fraction of the price. These bottles are 50 milliliters and they're only $29, which is insane. I actually really love the very, very simple packaging, and the top of them are magnetic, so they just pop back on really easily, which I cannot say enough good things about. Dossier creates a lot of fragrances that are inspired by luxury brand fragrances, and they actually just came out with one that is inspired by YSL's Mon Paris, which I am so needing. They just came out with it, so I had already gotten the ones that I have before that one came out, but it is definitely on my wish list because Mon Paris is my all-time favorite fragrance, and that one I'm sure smells phenomenal. So on here it says the top notes, the middle notes, and the base notes on every package, and then it also will tell you what fragrance it's inspired by, which is really cool. And then when you get your package in the mail, it comes in a box like this. The inside, I love this pop of color. It has this little insert, and then every single one comes with this little tester. So you can test out the perfume and see how it works with your body's chemistry, how it smells, all of that before you open the big bottle. And then if you don't like it, you can return it, no questions asked, which I love that. It can be a little scary to buy a fragrance sight unsmelled online. So I just think that it's amazing that they give you this little option before you go ahead and open it up and can't return it anymore. So there is so many amazing things about this brand. I'm so excited about it. I will have a link down below in case you are interested in checking out their fragrances, and it will also get you 10% off anything on the site. This would make a great gift, and I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram stories. So if you're not following me there, head on over. It's just at Sarah Brithinee, and one of you will be able to win a fragrance. So all of the details of that will be down below in the bottom bar. Just follow me on Instagram and everything will be over there. And thank you again to Dossier for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Alrighty guys, I hope that you enjoyed getting ready with me for a date night. I will have everything that I am wearing today linked down below, including my sweater. My medallion necklace is from my brand and it will be coming back so soon, which I'm so excited about. So I will link everything down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.